Peace, what's popping, what's good. You know what we do here. You know exactly what we do here. We connect them dots, man. You know what I'm saying? In another episode of that deep shit. In today's episode, we're gonna do a real quick vid. We're gonna talk about nature and why is nature important. You know what I mean? Like, you know, a lot of times, you know, I read a lot of the comments that are you know, on the videos, and I try to respond to as many as I can. And I thank you guys for even watching, and I thank you guys for leaving comments. And just know there's a lot of things coming down the pipeline. With the channel. You know, I'm going to start doing the little Google Hangout live stream thing or whatnot, just a couple of times. And you know, I got a website that's in the process of being made right now. Really excited about that. Really excited about that. So, but going back to the comments that are being made, you know, some of the videos, a lot of people will ask me for a book list, or what books do I read, or where do I get this information from. And I'm simply going to tell you right now, the answer is simple, easy. You could do this shit too. I don't even need a book. I don't even read books. Some books I do read some books, but not really. That's not where I get this shit. You want to know what my source is? Outside. Nature. If you watch nature, you can figure out a whole lot of things about yourself. You can figure out a whole lot of things about the universe, because there's one formula that always works. And it's the formula of as above, so below. As within, so without. So if you look at nature and you see things that go on in nature, that's exactly what's going on inside of you. If you look at the cosmos at night, or if you look into space, that is exactly what is going on inside of you. It's the same. It's the same. And especially when it comes to space and the cosmos, it's just a mirror. If all of this is light, then you have to understand how reflection works, you know? And as a spoiler alert to the sun video, we'll talk about all of that. About light, darkness, and reflections. Because that's what all this is all really about. So me being a dot, and you being a dot, and us connecting, is just how light is reflecting. It's just light is just reflecting to each other, and then you'll probably tell somebody about something that you've learned, and then somebody will tell someone else about something that they've learned, and it's just a light exchange off of reflection, man. Because that's how nature works. So if there's any mystery that you want to solve, just look at nature.